Hello, my name is Shalin Sutariya. I am currently pursuing my MBA from Nirma University. From the past 2 months, I have been working at Radixweb as a digital marketing intern. And today I am here to share my experience. Since this is my first experience in a corporate environment, I was not very sure of what to expect from it. But at Radixweb, everyone, from my co-workers to support staff, is so friendly that I felt right at home. When I entered the doors of Radixweb, I was a clean slate. I had no prior experience in the field of digital marketing. But my coworkers and mentors have really helped me gain a lot of knowledge. They have also helped me put that knowledge to practical use. In this highly professional and yet a very friendly environment, I learned the ins and outs of digital marketing. I developed a new set of skills that are of great use in today's market. But most of all, I really want to appreciate how everyone over here has played a part in my growth. They have been very patient with me even when I did not understand things in the initial weeks of my internship. They have always treated me like their own. It is all thanks to them that I now feel confident in my abilities to take on new challenges in the field of digital marketing. I am very grateful for the mentorship that I have received over the past 2 months. I have thoroughly enjoyed each and every moment that I have spent at Radixweb. I could not have asked for better co-workers and mentors. And I do not think that there is any place better than Radixweb to complete my internship. Thank you for everything.